Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm giving you a closer look at the Tusk LED front accent lights with turn signals. Now, if you have a Can-Am Maverick R or R Max that didn't come with accent lights, or you're looking to add that turn signal function to your machine, this is what you want. They're really clean, they keep that factory look. It's an easy install, and if you didn't have these installed from the factory, you're in luck because your factory wiring is already ran to this area. All you have to do, you're gonna pull this front fascia off and you're gonna install this light and plug it in, and that's it. We've got a separate how-to video that shows you where all the fasteners, things like that are, but it's really simple to do. And if you are trying to integrate these with those turn signals, we've got a separate plug-and-play signal and horn kit. It's gonna show you how to get all that wiring done. So again, if those are the features you are looking for, this is what you need. You can find these on our website by clicking the link in the description below. Don't forget to take advantage of those how-to videos and subscribe while you're there. Now, if you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. Orders over $75 ship free. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.